Sri Mahabaleshwar Temple, Gokarna, Karnataka, Part 10. The Mahabaleshwar Temple, Gokarna is a 4th century Hindu temple located in Gokarna, Uttara Kannada district, Karnataka state, South India, which is built in the classical Dravidian architectural style. The temple faces the Gokarna beach on the Arabian Sea, in which Hindu pilgrims cleanse before visiting the temple for worship. The temple is considered as holy as the god Shiva temple at Varanasi or Kashi in North India on the banks of the river Ganga. Hence the Mahabaleshwar temple Gokarna is known as the Dakshina Kashi or Kashi on the South Indian. The temple defies the Pranalinga, also called Atmalinga or Shivalinga. It is said that the deity of the temple will bestow immense blessings to the devotees. Currently, the administrative charge of the temple is with Sri Ramachandra Puramath. Yes, per the guidance of the Adiguru Shankaracharya during the establishment of the Math. The main deity is Lord Shiva. The main festival is Shivaratri, Radhayatra in February. Sri Mayuravarma of Kadamba dynasty created the temple. It was completed on 345 to 365 CE. The temple is located on the shores of Arabian Sea on the west coast of India near the city of Karwar. It is set in a lush green environment in the holy town of Gokarna in North Kannada district. Gokarna lies between the Ganga Valley and Agnashini river. Gokarna is bound by water on three sides, on the west Arabian Sea and to the north and south are rivers. National Highway 17 is a coastal highway on the Western Ghats from Mangalore to Mumbai, passes close to Gokarna. The town is 56 km from Karwar, 250 km from Mangalore, 145 km from Hubli and 450 km from Bangalore. The nearest airport is at Panaji, Goa, 155 km away, and Mangalore airport is 192 km away. Angola railway station is 20 km away. There are many buses from Bangalore and Mysore Astra. The temple is built of granite in the Dravidian style. The Atmalinga is enshrined in the temple on a square Shaligrama Pida of pedestal. The most devotees consist of shaving their head, fasting and then taking a bath in the Arabian Sea opposite the temple. Then they pray first to Lord Ganesha or the elephant head god temple, which is a few yards away from the temple. After observing these religious proceedings, devotees visit the main shrine of Mahabaleshwar for dasana. The idol is placed inside a pit on the floor. The devotees can touch the idol and do the puja by themselves. This is in contrary to other temples where the devotees are neither allowed to touch the idol nor do puja. The temple timings are 6 am to 12 pm, 5 pm to 8 pm. Mahaganapati temple, Tamara Gauri temple, Venkataramana temple, Bhadragali temple or other temples nearby. There is a sacred man-made pond called Kodi Tirtha, wherein the idols are immersed as well as the devotees take a dip and part of the ritual bathing. Then there is Om Beach, Kondal Beach, Gokarna Beach, Half Moon Beach, Paradise Beach, extra nearby. Thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe the Ram's Travel Diary.